Alright guys, Plushy Dom here. Today, I got another package. Now, I know what this is, I'm just not sure, so let's get it open. Oh! You guys are gonna like this one. Baldi! Yes, Baldi plushies exist. I got these for $9 each, so go on eBay and get them if you want them. There's the first Baldi. Oh, huh. Welcome to my schoolhouse. And here's, the Mad Baldi. Yep, there's the Mad Baldi with the ruler. I was really excited to get these, really. And if you guys saw these on eBay, you would see that they have also a It's a Bully and Playtime plush. I didn't get them because kind of low on money right now, and I actually have a pretty good idea for for all the rest of the characters and Baldi's basics. And just to inform you guys right now, I did get my hands on a Detective Pikachu plush, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, so bye, see you guys later.